Hi everyone, welcome back to another staircase video. Yep, today we're going to get to the top. So yes, nearly completed the first flight up onto the top landing, and then we've got a small return on this section here. There's probably another 2 treads to go on this one. Oh, it'll be so nice just to stroll upstairs, not a care in the world, without holding on to that ladder for dear life. I mean, it's not so bad when you're going up and down it, but it's when you're carrying stuff, that's the issue, you know. Yeah, it's not ideal, but, you know, you have to wait for certain times in the project to do certain things. I wanted to concentrate on the floor downstairs, and that's what I did. You know, this was planned in around about this time for me, so, yeah. Not doing anything upstairs at the moment. We've still got some stuff downstairs to finish, but it will just be nice to access it fairly easy. You know, I've got to have my polishing station up here when I renovate some items. So yeah, it will make things flow a lot easier, a lot safer. It's going in nice and sturdy. We're getting fixings into the stud-work wall as well, both sides into the posts. So yeah, even coming up this short flight, you really can feel how solid the stairs will be. It just feels like you've reached another milestone in the project once you get something like this big in. It's been a lot of work and a lot of planning. We're still not there just yet. We've still got handrails and that to sort out, but in the scheme of things, that's relatively easy. The main thing was to get this flight of stairs in. Sometimes a little unconventional, but it is quite an unconventional space. It just shows you that you can still do these things, you know, just in a different manner than what you're accustomed to. Okay, right, we've got that tread to go in next. Bit of gluing, and then one more, and I'll literally be able to step up onto there without doing this. Now this staircase certainly has been a workout. Surprising how many times you go up and down, how many bolts you've got. Yeah, it's just repetition really, isn't it? At least at the end of it, you know, you've got a sense of achievement. And something that's a lot safer. Okay, one more cut and we'll be on the next level. And once I've got this all in place, fixed, we can start cladding this wall. Thinking about whether or not to shut the underside off. If I do, I don't think it'll be solid. I think it might be something that will let the light through as well. I mean, originally the stairs that I took out were exactly the same as these, open tread, you know. I know I haven't got to replicate everything just is, but that's how it was. So what I've been keen to do on this project is every time I install something or replace it, I try to tie into the fabric of the building without disrupting and destroying it. So it still preserves it, it just assists it. With the stud work walls, I've tied it into all the joists, the beams, the posts, just to give it an extra bit of strength without cutting it all out and losing all of its character. You know, I only want to really add where necessary, but to preserve the structure so people can see what, you know, how it's built and how long it's lasted. You know, what I'm doing really is just taking care of it and making it last into the future, hopefully for other people to enjoy. It's been a challenge, but it's been a rewarding challenge. I certainly don't have any trouble sleeping at night. Sometimes I nod off through the day if I sit down for my lunch. You just sit there and a couple of minutes, you're out like a light. Okay, let's keep pushing on. You know, I've noticed in France that when they do extensions on old buildings, they normally make the extensions ultra modern. Yeah, it's well, I'm not sure whether I like it or not, but you can clearly see, you know, the different periods. So you're not kind of trying to imitate what's there. Would you like to come upstairs? Follow me. Here it goes. Wow, that was much easier, even though I've still got to do the handrails. The actual pitch and the flight of the stairs is perfectly usable and safe. Let's try it down. You know, I can go up and down here without even holding on, so no issues there. So now that I'm happy with its location, I'm going to get some fixings through here into that floor joist there. Got plenty of fixings in this. I might put an additional one in there, but there is no movement whatsoever. That's got it just until you hear it start to creak. So we've got one in there, fixed through into this floor joist. Got another one to go in this side here. So I think it's this area here lots of you have been concerned about. Well, let me tell you, I will be addressing that in the coming videos. Now obviously I'm still working on the staircase, it isn't finished, and I wouldn't leave a big gap like that left wide open. And as you can see from here, it isn't finished. What I might do is look for a really decorative panel. It could be glass because it's going underneath the stairs. It's not going to be getting hit or kicked by feet. So that might be an option for there. Just to let some natural light, that was the idea, into the kitchen. That's it, that is securely fixed and bolted in. Been thinking whilst working on these, maybe a kind of screening like a grill that you put on the front of radiator cabinets. Maybe with little sort of fleur-de-lis patterns in. That might be a nice look for here. Allow the light and that to still come through, ventilation as well. Maybe think about leaving this area open underneath the stairs. I did consider putting a door on there, but my ideas are flexible. I do change along route. I'll just share the thoughts with you. You know, it's not always literally set in stone when I say, you know, I might do this. Sometimes I might not. I hope you're enjoying the journey of the cottage renovation. You know, it's not an overnight process. There is just one of me, limited resources, time, and obviously I need to have some family time as well. As with all work, it is a balance. Okay, I've got quite a few chores to do around the house and in the garden. I'm going to attend to those, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.